Hello, everybody. So if you started this assignment when I gave it, your trial license may be close to expiring or may have already expired. So you're going to need to add an actual license, which you'll find in a number of places, including here on the video. This is a 90-day license for virtual worlds, and I'm going to show you how to add the license so that you move from a trial license to the 90-day license and you can get back to work. So it's a little bit counterintuitive, but simple at the same time. So you're going to open Help up here and add license right there. In license, under product, we want RobotC, Robot Virtual Worlds, Lego. There's also in my window Vex. We don't want Vex. We want Virtual Worlds, Lego. Once we open that, you're going to take the license ID and enter that into the window or space for license ID and password. Copy, paste that into password. As you can see, my version already has an active license, so I can't actually enter this. But you're going to take this license, enter it into license ID, password, enter it to password, check activate online. That's it. That's the whole thing. It should work just that easily. Good luck. Email me if you have any problems.